Hello guys, today I want to tell you how to connect your terminal or SSH to Colab via terminal from Ubuntu or from VSCode. So to do that, we should do the following. First, we should install Colab SSH, which is done like that. I already installed it, and so it's could tell me that you are already installed it, requirement already satisfied. So it's look like that, and then we import it from Colab SSH that we already just installed. We import launch SSH Cloudflare, okay, and you may give it some password. I tell it that will be 11 for now, okay, and when we run this, so the password is here, and it's just one line and one line for importing. We see things here that very instructive and telling us what to do. So you will wait a second. Yes, so look, there is a client machine configuration. We should have Cloudflare in our machine. I use Ubuntu 20.04. okay, so here I just go here and download the Cloudflare, okay, because I have a Debian and AMD64, so I just download it. I already did this thing, so I really don't need that. You just click on it and install it from the store, so you can do everything from here. But remember that you should have the terminal here. So we say which Cloudflare after installing Cloudflare that we just downloaded, and there is an address in here, okay, so we just would need this for the become step, okay. So look at this. It told us that we should write this code in under the ssh.config, okay, so we go there. I use nano here, ssh config. If you don't have this, it's okay, the nano will create this thing. So I created it, and look, this code I just gave it here, but you should here look at this. It's a put the absolute Cloudflare path here, and I just did it here, so you can copy it and paste it here. I did it before, so I wouldn't bother doing it again, okay. So we just save it, Control S and Control X, or maybe Q, and so we done this step. So we go here, okay, we copy this bash here, so SSH, and you say do you really want to do to add this fingerprint? You say yes, and now what is their password? It was 11. Okay, now we are in the Colab, just SSH to the Colab. So if I say ls, there is nothing. Maybe if I say content, cd content, sorry, we are here, and ls, we see Cloudflare log and sample data. These are just there, okay. We can do it via VSCode. Just copy this and open a VS Code, sorry about that, so Control Shift P, remote SSH connect to host, okay, and paste that code. So here enter, and it's appear like that. Very good. It's just want us to give it the password. We say 11 again and enter, and now we are connected to Google Colab, and we can say maybe just creating something here like test file.py or anything you want, and you are running in on Google Colab. Okay, so like import, maybe I will just open a file here, or I can do anything, and you will see that the files are goes here or in the root, so you can access it like we are here in the content, we go to the root, so here we are the root, and we can see everything. So maybe I will do that ls to see the hidden things. Look at this whole thing. I hope this be helping for you to do your work, because most of the time the Jupyter Notebook is not sufficient to do a lot of work. Okay, this is it for today. Goodbye.